Hi, my name is Hemalata. I'm from Vishweshwar Layout, Bangalore. Actually, I've been using this Dcal since 3 months. Actually, it's very useful and it's very helpful in using things and
So what's the
products.
difference before decal used to get what kind of problems in water like hair fall? So how do you feel after using decal whether it has been solved your problems?
Yeah, very much. Actually, we don't have Kaveri water. Like it's bore water, no? It will I was seeing very stains and all on the bathroom taps and all. Now it has been reduced. Now, no stains and all. So while using hand wash and washing machine, I'm seeing more foam and all. So it's very really helpful. I highly recommend this product for each individual. It's been very helpful for me since 3 months. Please use this. It's very helpful. Thank you.